This is our project for Lucas Roller and Nathan Dinius for MET 482. We are doing the Solar Sky Tracker solar panel. It is a 2-axis robot that then, using 3 photoresistors, essentially creates a virtual plane of 3 points and then points the entire solar panel perpendicularly to the sun. We built the frame from scratch and designed it from scratch using 1/8" steel sheet metal, and it's just untreated carbon steel. 2 motors which we got from lab, and this one has an issue with the gearbox, so you'll hear it grinding and sometimes you have to help it a little bit, but the whole project works appropriately. We have a motor controller here that is an H-bridge 2 motor output controller, and it is powered using this 12-volt. It's rated for 4 amps, but we're never pulling more than about 60 or 70 milliamps max. The laptop charger power source. We're powering it using an Arduino Uno. This is currently my personal one because the one from class had issues, but everything is connected using just plug-and-play connectors so that it can go on one of the class ones when I get the project back next semester. All the code is ours from scratch. It's just using a very simple on or off controller. So if there's an error above a certain amount, either on the left-right axis or the yaw, then it will power it to where it's supposed to be. Otherwise, it will just ignore it if it's within that range. And then here we're printing out what those 3 photoresistors are outputting, and you can see here in the serial monitor. So I have the power source on a separate light switch. So I'm going to turn off the other light sources so that the phone is the only light source, and then I will turn on the power source so that it then is tracking. So it's powering up. It's now on. As you can see, it moves left and right, so if I start moving it this way, it'll track. If I move it down, it'll also track. If I move it up, it matches it. If I go 2 directions at once, again, there's the grinding from the motor that needs a little bit of help. But now that it's in the correct place, it stops grinding and it just filters into the exact correct location. So once again, that's our project for MET 482. Thanks.